As a Kerala nun ups the ante against the delay in the arrest of rape accused Jalandhar Bishop Franco Mullakkal, Kerala MLA PC George led an ugly attack on the victim nun, calling her a prostitute. Here's more.
Kerala rape survivor nun a prostitute. She enjoyed 12 times but called it rape the 13th time. Why did she not complain the first time? Let them check if she's a virgin. These are the crude words of Kerala MLA PC George, trying to heap ultimate insult on the nun who was serially raped allegedly by a bishop.
ആ കന്യാസ്ത്രീ ഏതായാലും ഒരു പ്രോസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ആണെന്നുള്ള ഒരു സംശയമല്ലോ ഉണ്ടോ? 12 പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരു തരി സുഖം 13ാമതാണോ ബലാത്സംഗം? എന്ത് മണിയായിരുന്നു 12 നടന്നപ്പോൾ? അവരെവിടെയായിരുന്നു 12 നടന്നപ്പോൾ? ആരോടാ ഇത് പറയുന്നവർ? ഒന്നാമത്തെ പ്രാവശ്യം എന്തുകൊണ്ട് പരാതി കൊടുത്തില്ല? പറയാതിരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? പലരുമായി ശാരീരബന്ധം നടത്തുന്ന സ്ത്രീ പ്രോസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ആണെന്ന് പറയേണ്ടി വരും. 3 സിസ്റ്റേഴ്സിനെ ഒന്ന് പരിശോധന നടത്തട്ടെ, അവർ പരിശുദ്ധയാണോ നോക്കുക.
The MLA's shocker comes even as the nuns in Kerala are on a warpath, claiming a massive cover-up by state's top cops. Nuns protested, claiming that the accused bishop is being saved, and questioned why the Jalandhar bishop Franco Mullakkal has not been arrested 2.5 months after the rapes came to light.
എപ്പോഴും ഡിവൈഎസ്പി പറയുന്നത് ഈ കേസിൽ കഴമ്പുണ്ട്, ബിഷപ്പ് ഫ്രാങ്കോയെ കസ്റ്റഡിയിലെടുത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യാൻ അനുമതി ഉന്നത ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥർ നൽകുന്നില്ല അയാൾക്ക്, ഈ ഡിവൈഎസ്പിക്ക്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു ടിവിയിൽ അത് ക്രൈംബ്രാഞ്ചിന് കൈമാറാൻ പോവുകയാണെന്ന്.
Meanwhile, the top cop has dismissed all allegations leveled by the Kerala nuns.
ഞാൻ IG ആണ് കേസ് നോക്കുന്നത്. So I told the IG.
I have directed the IG to complete the inquiry against Jalandhar Bishop as early as possible. IG has reported that the inquiry is progressing.
Statement എപ്പോൾ എടുക്കാനുണ്ടോ? ഞാനത് ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. I told them as quickly as possible investigation പൂർത്തിയാക്കണം.
The plight of the protesting nuns and victim shaming by the Kerala MLA sparked furious reactions.
I want action against such kind of people so that others should learn a lesson, that they should not open their mouth without thinking. They are at a position where they should, work like exemplary. They should be example for others.
Immediately a case should be registered against him for abusing the womanhood. This is not to the nuns, this is to all. So immediately a case should be registered against this MLA.
Kerala, a state which takes pride in calling itself progressive, should now decide if it will ensure justice for a rape victim or continue in victim shaming and shielding the rapists.
A group of nuns who are supporting the victim have launched an indefinite strike in front of Kerala High Court in Kochi. They demand immediate arrest of accused Jalandhar Bishop Father Franco Mullakkal. Even as the case is still a point of debate, an MLA from Kerala have made absolutely derogatory remarks against the victim. Obviously, the questions will be raised on the police action against the MLA PC George as well. With camera person Arun, Gopi Krishnan, Thiruvananthapuram for India Today.
Church body missionaries of Jesus have come out in support of the rape accused bishop. In a statement issued by the church body, it says that we strongly condemn protests in Kochi. We cannot crucify an innocent soul based on such allegations. We have Gopi, who's with us live from Thiruvananthapuram. Gopi, what's happening in Kerala is absolutely shocking. The police has been dragging its feet and hasn't arrested the rape accused bishop. We've seen victim shaming by an independent MLA PC George, and now the church body also coming out in support of the rape accused bishop.
Well, indeed, Simi, it's actually shocking to see that the Jalandhar diocese have issued a statement specifically in Malayalam, because we must understand the Jalandhar diocese, which is actually in Punjab. They have specifically issued a press statement in Malayalam, clearly targeting the victim nun and the other nuns who have been supporting her in the protest. In that particular statement, they actually say that the protest has nothing to do with the facts, and the protesters could be actually be motivated or influenced by external sources, and they are telling that they will not support the protest and the protesters at any cost, because they did not want to because they are also claiming that the Jalandhar Bishop, Father Franco Mullaikal, is actually clean of all the charges. He has not done anything, is what the actual statement is claiming. And it's actually really shocking to say that when a case is pending before the court, when the inquiry is underway, when the case is sub judice, the church body itself has decided to come out with a statement clearly defaming the victim and the people who are actually supporting her. This is actually extremely shocking. This must also be seen in comparison with the way some of the people, including the MLA PC George, have made derogatory remarks against the victim.
All right, Gopi, thanks so much for that. We're going to keep coming back to you for the latest coming out of Kerala.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.